Welcome everybody to another English lesson, and today I'm going to talk about the plural of the nouns, the plural of the words in general. Okay, so I have here my whiteboard, and now we are going to see together this important part of English grammar. So I show you. Here we are, and the plural of nouns. There is the general rule. The general rule is that plural nouns have the s at the end. Lot of words at the end, when they are plural, just add the s. For example, this house is new. These houses are new. Also, the word and a plural is words. But for example, cat, cats, tree, trees, street, streets. Okay? But there are some exceptions, and the words that end with these. Okay, if a word ending with one of these letter or syllable, you have to add es. So if a word ends with o, s, double s, sh, ch, x. Let's see the examples. Another plural noun examples. Box become boxes, church, churches, bus, buses, glass, glasses, dish, dishes, tomato, tomatoes. Okay, so now I want to do with you a simple exercise. So I'm going to delete this first part, and I'm going to keep this one. Okay, so we can do the exercise. Okay, so now, sorry, okay, okay. I'm going to write here on the whiteboard the word, and you have to, but I'm going to do, and you will do. For example, some words like this one, table. And the plural, it becomes simple. We have only the s. Tables, right? Another one, task. The plural is just tasks. Okay? Here we have brush. You see that brush is one of the exception, so it becomes with es at the end. So brushes. In other words, key. There's no here key, so we have just the s. another word. Kiss. There is the double S, so it will become kisses. Okay? It's simple as that, but you have to learn the rule and pay attention at the beginning. Okay? So let's do the last one. Peach is the fruit. We have CH, so peaches. Peaches. We have ES. Okay? Is simple as that. You have just to pay attention to this part, because sometimes is you have to think about more, because for a non-native speaker it's not as obvious as for example in our language. We know the rule but we speak correct, let's say that. And today I did this part, but it's not ended the part of a plural. So in the next video I'm going to finish this important part of grammar, and I'm going to give you other tips, very important and very interesting, about the irregular, okay, irregular plural. There are also this part, also not only in the verbs but also in the plural of the words. Okay, so thank you for now for watching this video. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video with people that, with your friends or people that need to see this grammar part. Okay, thank you very much. See you the next video. Bye bye.